already, it is time for scripting your funny ideas part 18. Here we go. Idea. When you say, I want to walk the plank, it will teleport you on the edge of the map on a plank, but your character is too heavy for the plank, so it breaks and you fall. All right, so we're in the game and we want to walk the plank, so let's go ahead and just say it in the chat. Oh, and look, it's a plank. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Oh, I'm too heavy and I'm dead. Wow, that's amazing. Idea. Whenever you say, a dinosaur, a meteor comes and crashes the game. So as you can see, boys, there's a giant dinosaur right here. I'm not gonna lie, pretty scary looking one. But let's go ahead and say, a dinosaur. And there we go. And where's the, oh no, the whole map is broken. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay, and now I just keep dying. Well, I guess that's what happens when the world ends. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, next. Idea. Whenever someone chats, make me admin, an NPC appears and says, fly user, and flings you off the map. Great idea. Just amazing. All right, so go and type in the chat, /make me admin, and I am a sneaky little fellow. It's gonna work, guys. Totally. Oh, it's an NPC. Fly tap water. Whoa! That's me. Okay, well, now I guess I got admin. You know, I am flying, but just not the right direction. Yeah, now I'm gonna die. I'm falling to my death. Goodbye, world. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Rest in peace. Okay, next. Idea. If you say dance if you're an NPC, a bot named NPC will start dancing. So instead of one NPC, I have 6 or 5. Actually, I can't count. How many is this? No, 6. I was right. Okay, anyways, if I go ahead and type that, let's see what happens. Why aren't they dancing? Guys, hello? All right, let's try it again. And oh, look at the moves. Oh, they're doing the robot. I like it, honestly. It's pretty drippy. Or not, I wouldn't say that's drippy. I don't know what you call it actually. But hey, look at that. I wish I could like that. Hold on, let me try to dance. Yeah, no, this isn't on sync, guys. I'm sorry. Hey, this is kind of cool looking though. Looks like I'm making a music video on Roblox. Okay, I'm dumb. Next idea. When you say, I wish I met Tapwater spawns and says, hi. Did someone say my name? Okay, so let's go ahead and type that in. I wish I met Tapwater, aka me. Oh, hi. Did someone say my name? Why am I in the ground? And why did I appear behind me like that? That's so creepy, bro. Hello, little man. I'm the better version of you. Okay, what am I doing, bro? I'm talking to a robot right now. Idea. Whenever you say what's no clipping, you no clip into the back rooms. So let's go ahead and say it. What's no clipping? Now, how I designed this is that if you walk into this brick right here, you basically can't leave. So wait, what? And we're in. Now we try to leave. It doesn't work. We're stuck in here. So, yeah, that's what no clipping is. Our idea. Whenever you say Among Us is dead, an NPC named Inner Sloth, the creator of Among Us, kills you with a gun. Hey, yo, that's messed up, man. But we're still doing it. All right, we're going to go and type it in the chat. Among Us is dead. Oh, there he is. Oh, he shot me and he vanished. Yo, what the heck? Bro, hold on, let me try it again. Oh no, he doesn't come back twice. Okay, he already did his crimes. Now he leaves. All right, you know what? Fine, whatever. But that was pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie. Good idea by that guy. Idea. Whenever you say, I wish this game was a little bit more famous, more than 1 billion people spawns in and says, oh really? And then everyone throws you off the map. Wow, very detailed idea right there. But hey, we're doing it. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I wish this game was a little more famous too. I'm literally the only player in it. So yeah, it could use more players. All right, so let's go ahead and say it. I wish this game was a little bit more famous. Let's see what happens. Oh, they're spawning in. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. They're spawning in every direction. I can't move. Okay, I'm out of the pile. Bro, leave me alone. Why are there so many of them? Oh my God, no. And then they threw me off the map. Why'd they get salty that I said the game was more famous and then joined and then threw me off the map? You know what? I don't like this idea, guys. I don't like it. That was funny though, bro. There were so many people. Well, unfortunately, that's over. So next. This is a lot of ideas. I need a water break. 1 second, guys. Much better. Idea. Whenever you say it's a small world, isn't it? The map shrinks down so that you can barely stand on it. That's actually kind of funny. All right, let's do it. All right, it's a small world, isn't it? And oh, it is, bro. What the heck? The dinosaur's dead. The map literally can't fit my feet off it. My feet are hanging off the map right now. So it is indeed a small world, guys. Bro was not capping. Now, I didn't realize it was going to be this small, but hey. All right, very good idea, bro. Next. Idea. When you say, haha, so easy, an NPC comes and says, not so fast, and insta-kills you. All right, so basically, if you're toxic, there's karma. Nice. So let's go ahead and say it. Who am I even talking to, bro? When I type these, I'm literally talking to myself. There's nobody in this game. Let me talk to this NPC right now. I'm going to say, haha, so easy. And yo, No, little NPC buddy. He killed me and vanished, bro. What's up with all the killing and vanishes? They teleport away so they can't go to jail. That's what it is, guys. This is insane. All right, next. Idea. When you say, I'm so sad at life, an NPC will come up and say, who asked? Okay. I'm so sad at life. I mean, it's bad grammar, so honestly, he deserves to get bullied. But okay, here we go. And who asked? And look at the emojis. Bro's laughing at your face in the black hearts and heartbroken emojis. If I say it again, more spawn in. I can just spam it and it's infinite people saying, who asked? I'm getting bullied, guys. I'm getting bullied by robots. How do I let this happen to me? This is embarrassing. Like, actually. Okay, no. Next idea, guys. I'm done with this. Next idea. That was funny, though. I love the emojis. Whenever you say this place is so still, everything starts going around the map in circles very fast. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but we'll see. It'll be interesting. Okay, so this could either go really bad or really good, or both. I guess we'll find out. So let's go ahead and say this place is so still. Oh, what the? Yo, the whole map is turning in circles. And how am I not dead? Oh, this is sick though, dude. The walls right there, the NPCs are even turning, bro. This is trippy. Bro, this is like what my dreams look like. This is what it feels like to be on drugs, guys. I don't know. Oh, and it just stopped. Yo, what the? Look at the letters. No, that's cursed. That's actually cursed, guys. Hold on. Let me look at this from afar. Bro, what does this say? Scripting, yo. Funny ideas. Part 18. That's so funny, bro. And what? That's supposed to be me. Dude. Okay, on my side, it's good. But on the server side, if someone else were to join the game, this is what I'd look like to them. Wow, that's insane. Honestly, that was a really cool idea. I like this a lot. That's actually really funny. Shout out to the guy who commented that. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. That was really, really funny. So if you have any other ideas, leave them down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.